Okay, so in this video we're gonna install and download and install YouTube Kids, set it up for your smart TV, and I'll show you what are the various options you would get and why is it better than using a normal YouTube for your kids. Right, so how you get it on your smart TV, we'll cover that as well in this video. Right, so I've just downloaded YouTube Kids on my Android TV, and it took me around 5 seconds to download it. I've just did that on this video itself, and I'm just opening it now. So this is the screen you would see. So this is YouTube Kids, and initially it would ask me to set it up. So it says, hi parents, welcome to YouTube Kids, and before we get started, there are some parental security controls and settings that you would want to set up. So we'll set up a key here, and for our purpose I'll just set up something and then I'll remove it later anyways. Okay, so we've done that. It's just checking that you are a real person, so it's asking for some stupid questions, you need to answer that. Okay, right, so it's sorry, yeah, so I'll just do that, and next step would take us to some serious questions. Okay, so it's asking for these are the controls, so sorry, these are the privacy policies for parents. You need to select how old your kid is, whether it's under 4, 5 to 7 or 8 to 12 years old. So we'll go with something, and then it will tell you a few more things, the content, how is it filtered, and what's being recommended for children who are under 4 years of age. So I mean, the security point of view, it's really good in a way. It would give you only the content which is relevant for an under 4-year-old kid, so which is good. I mean, content which is for older kids or for adults does not make sense for kids who are 2, 3, 4 years old, right? So, all right, and you want to search, turn it on or off. So I would say on, in case I need to search for a specific video. You want to flag certain videos as not suitable for kids, so that's something you can do as well. Moving on, now here we are in the interface, and you can see the content is relevant only for kids that are under 4 years of age. Yeah, so what do we have here? We've got holidays, so anything related to Christmas, it's December, so anything related to Christmas would show up here. Then shows, these are the shows, and you can see Ping Pong, yeah, Teletubbies, so you can see all of them here. And then once you start using it and start watching some videos, it will build up your own search history, and the AI would come into picture, where it would recommend you videos that your kid really likes. Yeah, so what else related to learning? So there are some learning videos here, which will help you, like these alphabets or for nursery rhymes, or if you want to learn colors for your kid. Yeah, so it's all in here. So these, and if you want some musical ones, these are the music ones. So this is how it is. If you want to explore more, yeah, you'll see them here. I won't play them because I will have them some get into licensing things, so I won't play anything. But what you can do is, if you want customized experience, you can log in here. Yeah, so it's always good to log in as a parent. So you have a control, you put in a code which I'll change later, as I said earlier. You go in here, what has happened? Okay, so you logged in as a parent. Yeah, so the code I entered was wrong, so let me enter that again. Yeah, so I'm in here now, right? Okay, fine. And then, so this is how it will look like. Yeah, and let me take you to the control. So it would again ask you whether you are a grown-up or not. It will ask you for a simple maths question. Once you've done that, you go into parental control. You can sign in or sign out. You can set up your content settings, whether still you wanted to have it for under 4 years or whatever the age category is. You want to change your password, you want to put search on or off, whether you want your kid to be searching something or not. Then pause your history. So your history is off at the moment. You can search it on or put it on, or make it off, right? So you can clear your history at any time, and then you've got your privacy terms here. So pretty good, I would say. Free to use. There's no paid content as such that I've come through until now. You got your customized content for your kid, and much better. I mean, if you have a smart TV, have a YouTube Kids version, so that your YouTube, when you sign in, don't get recommendations for children videos, right? So you can keep your children having their content customized based on their likes, and your YouTube remains separate. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, post in your comments in the comments box. Like my videos, share with your friends if they are relevant for them, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get reviews or similar apps which are useful to you. If you have any questions, post in your comments. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Have a nice time.